Amid questions raised over inaction of the top court over migrants stranded on roads, the Supreme Court today took up the issue on its own and directed the states and centre to provide transport, food and shelter immediately. The centre has said that this is of course a continuing crisis, and lapses on the part of the centre in states is something that the court has taken cognizance of. My colleague Vaidyanathan is joining us on the broadcast with the details of the story. Vaidya, break it down for our viewers. What has the Supreme Court said on the migrant crisis today?
Normally, Supreme Court passes directions based on petitions and PILs, but this case, court has taken the issue on its own. So basically, they said two things. Number one, the migrant crisis is still continuing even today. And secondly, they said the court has received large representations and letters on the migrants issue, asking the court to take action. And thirdly, it says even though the central government and the state governments have taken action, there seems to be inadequacies and deficiencies. That's why the court has directed both the center and the states to respond what action they have taken within 48 hours. That's on Thursday, they were to respond. But interestingly, one of the judges in the bench in the last week, he commented saying that when people run over on the railway tracks, one of the PL wanted the court to look into that issue. At the time, one of the judges in today's bench has said that how can the court monitor this situation when people sleep on tracks, what will happen? So basically, it seems that a lot of criticism were there in the social media as well as in the public, saying that the top court is not taking action, whereas High Court is taking some action against the government, particularly in migrant labor. Probably that is the result why the top court took up the case so motu on its own past few directions.
All right, the court there taking so motu cognizance. Appreciate you, Vaidyanathan, for joining us with the details of the story. Many migrant workers are still on the roads in the scorching heat of 44 degrees and are walking to their homes.